We roamed around our school to sort out some problems. We found several problems and then we decided to choose which problem we should go with. We found that in volleyball, basketball, and football club activities, the student school bags are not organized and they are overlapping among each other.
So we decided to make a cloth rag. But we needed materials to make the cloth rag. We chose some options which are bamboo, wood, and metal. Among them, we chose metal because during the rain, wood and bamboo will get damaged.
Then we took the measurement of the school bags of our elder brothers and sisters from upper grades. After taking the measurement, we decided to do a fundraise. For the fundraising, we did a big sale. We brought homemade food from our home and sold it in school.
After we got the fund in our hands, we talked to a technician who could help us make the racks. We told him the space where he should make it, and then we were confirmed he will make it as exactly as we told him. Now you can see the metal rags in the field.